Hello there, guys, friends. How are you doing? I hope we're all doing fine. Let's do this, guys. I am lifting this elbow spool with elbow. We are going to erect this at a height of around 15 meters from the ground. So just watch it till we erect this pipe spool using the Sunny truck mounted crane. Sunny truck mounted crane. We are erecting this pipe spool with elbow.